gay. What? You! Oh, it says you're possum. It has a cat. Some of that's for you. Sorry. Hi. Good morning. Oh, my cigarette. Is it done charging? It is. Yeah. Anyway, good morning. We gotta get down because I'm meeting some people and that's all I got. I wanted to show my outfit, but this is bad vlogging, so I'm gonna turn it off. I'm being laced. Hey, Leslie. Yeah, to when we did Aaron tied to the pole.
Yeah.
I love you.
Keep your damn pants on.
Okay, I'm trying. It's so loud in here. Oh my god, there's a team of Magikarps. Oh my god, and one of them's a shiny Magikarp, and he's dressed like a professor. Huh? Oh! It's Cupid Bakugo! I just got kidnapped. So apparently they're filming some YouTube channel, and I was actually really like salty because I was like, they're taking up so much space. And we were making comments. And then they came over and kidnapped me for it because I'm wearing green. Keep in mind, I'm in the middle of eating, which is fine, whatever. Yeah, just for wearing green. She was like, you're wearing green, can I borrow you? And I was like, sure. Food still in my mouth. They throw me in front of the camera and they're like, are you wearing green? And I just kind of looked at myself and looked at him like,
I don't know, am I?
am I? And then they were like, okay, you're good, goodbye. And I went, okay. And then I left. But
They must be doing some sort of like contest.
no, so it's for YouTube, but I'm just eating my chips and I'm getting harassed. Also, I had to give them my Instagram handle, which feels weirder than the rest of it. Like, why do you need to know my handle? But whatever, it doesn't matter. I just don't know who any of them are. But they're like running through the con, grabbing cosplayers and dragging them in front of this camera for various parts of their costume. Which is just a terrible place to do it. But that's just me. I'm just a salty bitch, so.
Look at him. Look at him. See? Ooh. Yes. Yes.
He likes to put him over his eyes, but that's not a good picture.
That's very Pan's Labyrinth. It's very Pan's Labyrinth. Back out, Darby. Back out. Beat. 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 Yes. Woo. How was that, Darby?
I tried. I crowd walked.
There you go. It's just fog.
That is really cool.
Oh, we need this.
look at that leggy. Ooh, look at that leggy. Absolutely. Yeah, so cool.
Hargreaves just vibing over there. Hell yeah. That's the mood. That's the mood I'm bringing to 2020.
Probably doesn't matter, it's a diffuser.
Just blank expression vibing. That's so Fitzroy.
Yes.
Nailed it.
Really?
Ayana.
This is why you're not a main character.
They didn't actually close the palace doors, just no one
Kirby just said they didn't actually close the palace doors, just no one wanted to visit you. You were locked up. You're different. You were actually locked up. We're at dinner. They sat us at the biggest table imaginable. They also sat us down and was like, it's $75 per person because it's Valentine's Day. And I was like, what? And they were like, wait, maybe not. And then I sat
one menu, except if you say no, we'll give you the other menu.
I'm adjusting my way. Jeez. There's a lot of hair to do. As too many of us.
You have a spotlight behind your head.
She's an angel. Look it. I want to be an angel.
My favorite part of the meal was watching Merida lift her hair away from her food. It became a Disney princess roast, and as we're waiting for our checks, and that's it. There's nothing else to tell, guys. It's Friday. It feels like Sunday. It's Friday. Oh, I hope we meet a dog at the. This isn't relevant. I hope we meet a dog at the bar again. Because she has. Oh my God. Merida, what's your type again?
That is not going in a vlog. There is nothing you can do or say that would make me approve that. No, 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 no. Children, some jokes are not meant for the internet. Just one not meant for the internet.
Meredith says nay. That was a Darby joke. Darby. This is like prime, like angry mom look.
So, Molly Weasley.
So Molly Weasley. No, the highlight of Lecture's Con was the tiny little dog that shook my hand. Oh yeah, it's Darby and I's 4-year anniversary. But I hope I see a dog anyway. You weren't there last year.
I saw him later on in the evening.
The one that shook my hand? I want to shake all the dog's hands. We decided to do a thing. It's gonna be cute. And then there's bunnies.
That's my seat.
-1. -1. Okay, we're at 16. We're at 16. Okay. Accept it. Intimidating. Nice.
No, we already said intimidated. Harbingers. Harbingers.
And not visual. Harbingers. Okay. I'm nervous.
This is what we do at Cox. Shitty. Is that a vaping bird?
With the fanny pack.
Okay, sexy. Elegant.
What?
Goofy.
Mysterious. We're at 26. We're past the halfway point.
What about this? Horny. Yeah. That bird looks.
Swinging.
Did you hear the little jingle?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's louder at the back. Just so many studs and zippers and buckles and... Hot topic. It is Hot Topic Couture. Darby, does that feel nice? What? Does that feel nice? Not yet. No!
I've been wanting to eat this all morning.
No!
I don't even like apples that much, but it's just in my hand and now I'm hungry.
You need it for the shoot! Look at Sam. She looks so cute today. Do you want Yes. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Ooh. So moody.
He's like the only smiling one.
Much jingle. Chris, are you jolly to the core?
Oh god. What was the other one?
Rotten to the core?
No. The other jingle song that we skipped.
Oh, I don't know. It was trash.
Is that accurate?
It was just the worst. So this morning we were listening to the full soundtrack from all three?
Yes, and the special.
All three of the Descendant movies. And so terrible.
The terrible Christmas.
To try and get in the mood for this. Because yay! And now we're just staying warm next to the fabulous radiator? No.
The vent of chlorine air, but it's warm.
Is it exhaust?
Yeah.
I think it's exhaust. It's chlorine exhaust, but it feels really nice. So we're living. So we are living our best life.
I felt something catch on that wall.
Darby approves. All is well. No! Stop it!
But I want to eat.
No! No poison apples for you.
How badly do you want to eat the apple?
That's so good.
You look great, babe.
Shove it down my throat.
No. Look at him. Oh.
You like it?
Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Look at you in the sunlight. He's a happy boy. He's a handsome boy. Yay.
Warm boy with 3 cold balls.
Yeah.
I feel great.
Kigu. Yes.
Someone's gonna be like, don't go Disney.
beautiful.
Boy,
Look at him.
beautiful glowing boy.
I glow.
You do.
In the sun.
You look like a Twilight cover.
Oh no! Team Jacob, eh?
I mean, Carlos would be on the side of the dog. Dude.
Uh-oh. It happened.
What's happening?
Hold on, I'm trying to adjust, It's happening. Oh no!
I'm just trying to get the sun right. I'm trying to get the shot.
Focus on your eye.
Oh, that's not funny.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat the fucking
You look so happy.
Same light.
So currently it's twilight. And then you're gonna eat more, it's gonna be new moon.
Ooh, yeah.
I'll do closer.
Carlos, is this cruelty free?
Yes, it's plastic.
It's plastic.
It's my favorite kind of not animal.
Vinyl. That smile was awesome, Chris.
Oh wow. Is that an evolution? Oh my god, I love that.
It's good shit, guys.
Yes. Yes. And pose.
Before people get off the elevator.
Just go. Y'all are good. Just keep coming.
It's like back into the elevator. There's people. Oh no.
I wasted it. I'm not.
No, what are you doing?
That way.
I don't know what to do.
Carlos is a dancer.
Okay, what does that mean?
Find a dance pose. You mean you don't know how to dance?
Surprise.
Dun 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 dun. Look out! We're dangerous. Carlos fully loaded. It's like Mega Man arms. They're cannon arms. Just throw it over your head.
You just throw it.
Yes.
All I had to do was an apple, and I didn't even get to finish it. Because props first. Props before food.
True.
No, eat, children.
Thank you, Sam. Oh, you're fabulous. We're very excited. And now we're gonna go eat.
Oh, this is our last shoot of the weekend together.
Not for me.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah.
I mean, we could also do stupid shit.
I
That's
still
the
have
last one we planned.
Saving the best for last.
Me.
Lighting things on fire. Lighting things on fire.
If there are any other con moms out there, help me.
Shut up. Peace out. There's some. Stop throwing the worm. You're abusing the worm in front of the worms.
I'm supposed to be eating McDonald's right now.